I've been using Morrocco Method for 8 years now, so I'm not new to it. I've been using it for a long time. Prior to using Morrocco Method, I would just get the quote-unquote healthy shampoo at the health food stores, but anything with suds in it is just horrible for your hair. It wrecks the oil, like it gets the oil out of your hair, causing your head to react by creating much more oil. So once I discovered Morrocco Method, I really haven't looked back. I've been using it for 8 years now, and I've got a lot of my friends and people close to me in it as well too, and I think they've all had good results. I'm a big fan of their mist, like their diamond crystal mist, for instance. My hair in general is a little bit dry, so this is just, it's a great refresh. I use it many times a day if I have it with me. I always get my hair cut on the correct lunar days, but one thing I haven't tried is I've never actually cut my hair myself on the lunar cutting days as they recommend, so that is something I would like to try. My hair comes in fairly gray at this point, so I would like to experiment more with the henna. I would like to give lunar cutting a try. Honestly, my hair just, it's feeling a little bit old and dry at this point. Like I feel like it needs a refresh. So I'll try some things. Hopefully we can learn some things together. Thanks.